Today I am going to be trying H&M's Press-On Nails. I have never tried them before. I'm super excited. I thought that they looked so perfect. I don't like the pointy types, so I saw this and I was like, oh, these are going to be perfect. Can't wait to try them. They were only $7.99. Let's get ready. Now, before anything, you're going to want to have your nail glue for press-on nails. It's going to come with a peel, but press-on nails will last a lot longer if you use a good quality nail glue. And then also, today it was so cute. I was getting a pedicure and I told her I was doing my press-on nails and she's like, take this. So you always want to buff your nails before you put the glue on. Now I'm going to get my nails ready, pick out which ones fit me the best, and then we're going to start. So this is how I lined it up. Each hand is ready to go. So the first thing I'm going to do is push back my cuticles. I have this little cuticle pusher. It came with my little manicure tool. I got it at TJ Maxx for like $4.99. So you're just going to want to push those back. And after that, you want to buff your nails. So I originally got the one from the nail salon, but I kind of want to use this one because it's so cute. So you don't want to do it too much, but you want it to look kind of like that. So you're going to do that to all of your nails. That will make the glue a lot easier and the nail to stick right on. If you have alcohol wipes, wipe it off after. That will clean your nail. Unfortunately, I don't have any. I like doing press-on nails because they last long, like 2 to 3 weeks, which is not too bad. And if you drop a nail, you just glue it right back on. And it is a lot less money, right? I have 5 kids in this house, 3 are mine, but there's no way I'm gonna go get my nails done for 2 or 3 hours at the nail salon. There's just no way. This was $7.99. The little nail wallet that has all the nail tools in it was $4.99. And the nail glue, I don't know how much that was. I got this at Target. It has to be like $9.99, something like that. So what's a manicure? Over $100 nowadays? No, thank you. I'm gonna do it at home by myself. Buff them out like that. The reason why I got the Kiss Power Flex is because it's good for natural nails. It's good for people who don't do their nails too often and have very natural nails. So that's what we're going with today because I like to keep my nails pretty natural looking. So this one's a brush on. You're just gonna brush it on. I like to just do the middle. We're gonna do the thumb now. I hold it down for 20 seconds. How cute. I'm going to show you when I'm done. All right, and this is how it came out. I love them. They're really cute. They sound really nice. They went right on. It comes with a stick on, but the glue works really well with them. And I will do more of an update once I wear them for over 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.